this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Squid Game Unleashed on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to download and then play Squid Game Unleashed. You will be able to download it for free on any mobile device. So if you are on Android, open the Google Play Store and look for Squid Game Unleashed. And if you are on iOS, open the App Store and do the same thing. So when you download the game, you will be able to choose to play as a guest or sign in to Netflix. For this video, I'm going to choose play as a guest, but if you have a Netflix account, it is highly recommended to sign into it because you will unlock additional features and the full experience once you are inside of the game. The game is 1.5 gigabytes, so make sure that you have enough storage space available on your mobile device. Once you choose the option to play as a guest or sign into your account, you will see this loading screen. And finally, you will be able to play Squid Game Unleashed. Finally, once you get inside, you will be given instructions on how to play. Welcome to the games. Reach the top of the stairs to join the competition. So you can tap start, and as you can see, you have the ability to run and jump. So use the joystick at the left side of your screen to control your character, and then the jump button itself to jump. Follow the arrows here in the instructions, and you will be able to move around and get this level completed. You will gather items while you go around the levels. You can use them by tapping the button right next to the jump option. Make sure that you dodge all of the obstacles, don't fall off, and if you complete the stages, you will be able to pass on to harder ones and eventually win the competition. So, as long as you have enough storage space on your device, you can download the game for free from the Play Store or the App Store. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Squid Game Unleashed on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.